Okay, today's video, crazy impulsive purchase. Was not planning this at all. This video was not supposed to be filmed. I had something else completely planned for this week, but it happened. And based on you guys' reaction on Instagram, this needed to be a full YouTube video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Melissa and I have quite a luxury accessory habit and I share it with you guys on here on YouTube. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. As I was saying in my little intro, I ended up doing a completely unplanned purchase. It was the semi-annual, tomato. I'm gonna go with semi-annual. I feel like it sounds better. So it was the semi-annual sale at Retyche and I work with them and I was like, guys, let me pick my favorites, send me a box of items. I need to show my people, they need first dibs on this amazing sale. So they did that. They packed up all the items that I included on my list. And yesterday I opened this box, all the items are there. And then there was one item that was added at the bottom of the box. This item was not supposed to be included in the sale, but my friends at Retyche decided to include it and kind of sneak it in because they know I've literally been talking about this bag for like 2, maybe 3 months. I've actually mentioned it on here also in the past, and I definitely see, based on the feedback on Instagram, you guys were aware that I am in love with this bag. Also follow me on Instagram, because if you followed me on Instagram, you would have known about this bag already. Just saying. But either way, she deserves a close-up, she deserves a moment, she deserves a full-on dedicated YouTube video. Without further ado, oh my God, she's stunning. Hold on, let me focus. Here we go. So you guys are looking at a Chanel mini in gold lambskin perforated. Wait, what's the order of which you'd say that? Gold perforated lambskin mini. Yeah, Chanel gold perforated lambskin mini. And I mean, she's a dream. She's mint condition. I did a trends video. This is months ago. This is how far back I've been obsessing over this bag. I did a trend video months ago talking about how metallic bags were a must, especially perforated metallic bags. And I showed this as the example of like the dream Chanel, like that iconic bag that crosses all lines from casual to evening wear. This was the bag that I used as an example, and she was marked down in the sale. She was marked down $1,000 and I ended up getting her. So the bag itself, it's just a classic Chanel mini. I mean, in terms of size and what it does, it's a regular turn lock as per usual. It opens up. And what I did here is I just pinned the 2 straps together just to shorten it. If you ask me, the strap on the minis are way too long. On the walk, on a lot of the Chanel bags, the straps are way too long. And so what I did yesterday, I had it actually, if you guys saw me on Instagram, I had it clipped with a paper clip, not a paper clip, like the claw things, the black claw things. Anyways, I'll find a picture, I'll insert it so you guys can know what I'm talking about. But I thought of it this morning and I was like, let me just get like a little gold earring. A lot of you guys sent me the link of the Amazon things, which I had bought in the past and I can't find them anywhere, and it annoys me to rebuy something I've already bought. So I just took like a little gold earring and I just passed it and tied the 2 straps together, which the perfect height for me on a Chanel classic or mini is just short. I like them short. I don't like long crossbodies. I don't feel it's my vibe. So I shortened it, as you guys can see in this look here. And well, this look, it's what I'm wearing now, how I'm wearing it today. And yeah, I like it on the shoulder. This is really the length I think is good for it. But it also looks really good as a short crossbody. The bag itself is also crazy soft. I have not had a lambskin Chanel in like a newer version. The only way that I've ever done lambskin is in the vintage, which usually the leather is kind of like almost like dried out. Like even when you condition it, it's still kind of stiff. It doesn't feel as like nice and soft as this Chanel does, I have to say. Personally, I thought this was the best size of Chanel. This is the medium. I'm kind of like tilting towards the mini now. I have to say, it fits everything I need in a day. So does this, but I feel like this is just kind of way more practical, and they have so many more at Retyche right now. I'll put like a link of my favorites down below so you guys can go check them out. Keep in mind also the website's in Canadian dollars, so whatever you see if you're American is like 20 to 25% less off the jump because of conversion. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and do a short and sweet video just showing you guys my new baby because she deserved a little close-up. Before I stop recording, let's just do a quick ins and outs so you guys can see the full details, which is this beautiful, beautiful baby. Let's do a close-up on the light gold hardware as well. This is what I love so much about this Chanel light gold hardware. It kind of pulls the Givenchy vibe, where is it silver, is it gold, on the gold metallic bag. It almost looks like a two-tone hardware or metallic bag depending on the light. Like right now I just have like bright spots, and it's almost pulling silver vibes, which I love. Anyways guys, I'm so excited about this bag. I couldn't wait to come on here and share her with you guys. I feel like you guys are gonna be just as excited about me as this one, because like, she cute, she real cute. All right, I don't have anything else to say besides I love you so, so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.